Hello and welcome to this tutorial on finding Investext Investment Analyst Reports in Thomson One. This tutorial will cover how to access Investext Investment Analyst Reports within the Thomson One database and how to search for reports by company or industry. To get started, visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. When you get to the Parish Library homepage, access the list of business databases. Investext is on this list. Please note that Investext can only be used in Internet Explorer. Once you've selected Investext, you'll be taken to the Thomson One interface. To find investment analyst reports, hover over the Company Views button, then hover over Research and choose Company Research. By default, you may be given a company's analyst reports. To view search options or to begin a new search, click on Advanced Research page. Here you can search by company or industry. Let's search by company. As you type the company name in the search box, you'll be given a list of names to choose from. You can also select a specific date range for the reports you'd like to view. Once you've tailored your search options, click Search. You'll be provided with a list of analyst reports on this company. From here, you can choose to view all of the results or just the Investext reports. You can export this list as an Excel document or download full reports by clicking on the report itself. Let's choose a report to download from this list. Once you select a report, you'll be given a table of contents that you can browse. You can also select individual parts of the report to download, or you can choose to select all pieces of the report. You may see that some pages are marked as free. However, Purdue subscribes to all reports, so this information can be disregarded. Next, let's do a search for industry investment analyst reports. Start by deleting the company name from the company search box. You can select the industry you're looking for by NAICS or SIC code, or by simply typing into the search box. As before, results will pop up as you type. Make sure you choose the types of reports you want to include in your results. You can choose any or all of these. Then click Search. You'll be given another list of reports that you can browse, export, download, or print. Now you know how to access Investext Investment Analyst reports within the Thomson One database and how to search for reports by company or industry. If you have any questions, please contact us at parlib@purdue.edu. Thank you.